Morning guys, it's just a wee quick video here today. I wanted to come up and see the new graffiti art at SWG3. Instead of going into SWG3, you go underneath the bridge as if you're going to the SECC. It's the SEC. And you just take a wee right, and all along the sort of dual carriageway there's hundreds of graffiti. Just thought it would take you out, and Natalie's here by the way. She just didn't want to be in a video because her hair's a bit of a mess.
I've just been windswept.
She's been windswept, but basically we're not going to talk about it in this video because it's very windy outside and we're right next to the road, so you probably wouldn't even hear us. So just going to put some cool music on it and hope you enjoy it. Give us a subscribe if you're new and give us a thumbs up because obviously it's a cool video. Thanks very much. Bye bye.